after 3 p.m., it was my time. I did my media, I did my writing. And so that's how radio also came in, because it actually came in way back in 2001, I think. And that was a time I did some shows where students for CBSE exams, they were very worried, they were scared. So it used to be a nighttime show where they would come online and ask about their problems, that this is happening, how do I deal with it. And I did a lot of shows and they were huge hits. And but the best part was when once a parent came to me, and I don't know how the person recognized me, but they came to me and said, aren't you the one who was on radio and who did this show and you told this to my child? Of course I didn't even remember, but that person had a recording of
Okay.
what I had said.
Okay.
And I was so touched by that lady's the way she expressed herself. She told me that her child got 95 in a subject which he was terrified of. And she said that words have power, and I've always felt that every word that you speak leaves a mark, an impressionable mark on anyone. It could be you, it could be me, it could be a tiny child, it could be a senior citizen, but words have power. So the way you say a word and the way it's uttered makes a lot of difference. There were lots of moments, and then there were moments. You remember the movie in 2006 that came, Lage Raho Munna Bhai.
Okay.
So I remember lots of listeners calling and saying that we love the way you spread smiles, because you say things, and then my children tell me, my children make fun of me and they say that, Mama, I don't know, when you are on radio, your voice is different and you sound like that nightingale, and no wonder people think, but they should ask us. Well, that's a little jokes apart. But Lage Raho Munna Bhai came and everybody said that you're doing what he is doing. In that movie,
Okay.
you're spreading smiles, you're helping people. It's something like that. And I felt that was nice, because it made one feel like, okay, you're also a celebrity of sorts. and when you
Oh,
had
wonderful.
and when you had a program to do and you reached late and there were people downstairs waiting, and they said, you're Alka, aren't you? You're Alka ji, Alka ji. They're going like that. I said, yeah. I said, I need to reach the studio. The show has already started. The ads are going on. No, you do the show live from here. And I remember how the radio people quickly arranged, I don't know what they arranged. I'm not very good with technology, but they arranged something quickly. And I did the show there standing with those people. So there are lots of moments again, which brings a smile and which makes me feel very happy that, yeah, I think I've done myself well.